A long time ago, when I was younger and dumber and cockier than I am now, Wynton Marsalis graciously invited me to practice duo with him in his apartment. It was really nice of him, and I didn't really have any business being there, but of course, being young and dumb and cocky, I thought, sure, this is normal. So I went, of course. As we started to play, he asked what song I wanted to do, and I said, let's play All of You, the jazz standard. He said, I don't really know it, but sure, let's give it a try. And so we started to play. And after a minute, he stopped and he said, man, I can't really hear the changes from your walking bass line. I felt awful. And I swore to myself from that point that I would do everything I can to have my walking bass lines be very, very clear, very, very focused, and very, very definitive as to what the specific song is that we're playing. It's that motivation that I created this new course, 8 Weeks to the Jam Session. First Notes to Walking Like a Pro. A really clear step-by-step path starting from the very beginning and getting you to create your own walking bass lines in just 8 weeks. We're gonna start with simple things and talk about standard things that you've heard before, like chord tones and approach notes and ornaments to walking lines. But we'll also talk about things like the dominant magnet and hug your target and other higher view ideas that are gonna sort of take those simple things and make them into something greater. We'll have ear training, call and response. We'll study master jazz bass players. You'll have appendices for you to check out at another time. And with all this stuff, it's gonna be really clear how you get from the very first notes that you play to that jam session stage in just 2 months. So check out the link below and let's get started on 8 Weeks to the Jam Session. We'll go from those first stages to the jam session stage in no time at all.